4, 3, 2, 1.
Your usefulness has ended.
Breaking walls here.
Run out.
To my command.
Run.
In rubble. Mountains rise.
Breaking the wall. Console. Here's some of sock. Make sure we press something. Sorry.
Run.
Collapse. The land heaves.
Run out.
T, go far.
Where is this?
Run.
Yields to my command.
I'm sure I'm the boss after this to get.
Run out.
Jamie, Fen.
Yeah, I'm going in
Alyssa.
fire.
Watch your feet.
To the day as well.
Watch your feet.
Thank you.
Full damage, full
Yeah,
damage.
full stop on damage.
Run.
Equal. Alright.
Yeah, no. Nope.
Target you.
Either start damaging now.
Watch your step.
If death is what you seek, I shall grant it.
Phase 2.
And attain power beyond your comprehension.
No AoE.
Your remains will scatter across the endless dark.
Run out.
Glitch.
AOE incoming.
Rushing on to the front. Void. This is free damage on boss here. Stampeding roar. Watch your feet. Go through.
AOE incoming.
Personals.
Watch the lines.
Add us out. Nuke the fuck out of Sod.
Run out.
Jamie.
I'm 4, I'm 4.
Oh, yeah, sorry. You guys need to keep dodging here. You cannot go low. Cannot go low here. It's very dangerous.
I don't know what people are
Studies
doing.
AMZ. Watch your health.
AOE incoming.
1 and 2 go out. Keep
Target
green
you.
clear. Wind rush. Watch your feet. This is fucking perfect. Keep going. Get through now. You have bombs coming in 3. Get under the ad. Ad is out. Menu 5. On the gap. It's formed now. Annihilation. AMZ now. Rail. My Aura Master.
Watch feet,
Perfect.
watch feet.
Bomb's coming.
Let's go to the front. Nuke the ad. I'm 5.
Watch feet.
Phase 3.
Nice, guys.
Move.
Fucking
Watch
perfect.
feet. Watch feet.
Healers DPS. Healers DPS. Everybody get close to the boss. Do not get locked out. Do not get locked out. Full DPS here, healers. We have 2 B reses up. Dude, this fucking perfect is the kill.
Just watch your portals. Be ready. Move quickly.
First set is immunes, remember. Okay, we have knock lines here. Send these to like diamond, okay? Knock lines to diamond. Do not break a wall. Okay, knock lines to diamond. Do not silence a raid. On your positions now.
Just go over now.
See time going to shoot which one's free.
Find shelter.
I'm going to see.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Bloodlust, potion, nuke the boss.
Go to your next spots. If you're
Watch the line,
range.
watch
If
the
you're
line.
range.
Map is up. Just go to a spot now. Go to a
Just
spot.
go now. Don't come in early though. Sorry,
Find
yeah,
shelter.
no.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Be res right immediately. Keep nuking the boss. Watch your health.
Defensives are reset.
Shadow Fury here.
Okay, map. Look at your
Shadow
map right
Fury,
now, just
Shadow
go to the
Fury,
spot.
look at the map. Shadow Fury, look at the map. Ray, bop down, bop down.
That one's up, yeah.
Find shelter.
On your spots.
4, 3, 2. Find shelter.
I'm dead. I'm honking.
Yeah, I'm rezzing. I'm rezzing. In the link.
Focus boss.
Everything on boss. Ignore the ads.
Watch.
CC the
Watch
ads.
lines. Watch lines, guys. Watch lines.
CC the ads. CC the ads. CC the ads. Rail taunt the boss here.
Focus
Gan,
boss.
taunt and
Focus
ad,
boss.
run. Everything on the boss.
Find shelter.
Just focus boss. Focus boss.
3, 2. Find
Come
shelter.
in! Come in!
Find shelter.
Let's go! Yeah! Woo! Fuck yeah!
Oh,
Let's
So
go!
fucking good.
Hell
Dude,
fucking
like,
yeah.
Woo!
Two dresses, that was it, man. That was so it.
Holy
Oh,
Pass on loot, pass
Yes,
on loot,
sir.
pass on loot, pass on loot, pass on loot, pass on loot.
Clean.
Perfect job, yeah.
Good job, boys. That was so clean.
Holy fuck. Who survived that? Dwarf and
I did.
Eva?
Eva
Somebody else
Warrior.
do.
I saw 2.5 million health, and I'm like, I'm fucking range. I should just make sure that I survive.
Oh,
pass,
shit, I'm
pass,
sweating.
pass.
Wait, that's actually disgustingly
Bro, in
holy.
the end, I saw 3S coming to me. I fucking puppet mirror image, easy combust. Oh my god.
That is like holy Jesus Omega Giga fucking Christ bis for fucking Sighty.